Morning! I did a huge, crucial mistake yesterday. My detailer that I used to clean the bike with, well, I got done last night, basically like wiping down the front of it, but I didn't do the back of it yet. And I shut everything off, shut the heater off, closed the garage down, went inside. I forgot to take the detailer inside with me, so now it's frozen like a brick. Rookie mistake. I am changing my fuel door right now. I want to get the new one on before I drop it again. You know how that goes. Fuel door. Derby cover. Horn cover. I like it. Yep, it's a Harley fuel cover. Garbage. Look at this. I figured it out. I have a bad switch. If I put a jumper wire in there, it works just fine. This switch is bad. How does the switch go bad with 2,000 miles on the bike? Unbelievable. Alright, my passing lamp switch is definitely bad. I just ran a continuity test on it, and it is showing that it's bad. I looked that up, this part online, and at a Harley dealer it's like 81 bucks. But I haven't even owned this bike a year yet. I'm going to go into Race's sometime this week and ask them about them if it's covered under warranty. If not, I got to spend 81 bucks. So this is on hold. Just because of the fact that I know the problem now. I need to get a new part for it. It can go back together and then be done. The oil change, it's already been serviced. All 3 holes have been changed. I just need that lamp, passing lamp switch, and then this bike can get put back together, clean the rest of the way, and it's ready to go for riding season. So, I'm toying with the idea of starting to break this bad boy down now. You know, every one of my bikes, I always put an amp and speakers in them. And right now would be the perfect time to put an amp and speakers in this bike. The problem is I don't have the spare cash to do it right now. That's the bummer. But it is what it is. It's getting there. We're getting it tore down. I'm labeling wires just because of the fact that, one, there's some wires that aren't hooked up, and 2, this is a mess. Look at that. And I don't even know, this is not factory wire here. This has been added, and it goes all the way down the backbone of the frame. I'm guessing to the battery. I don't know. I can't see where it actually goes. But see the wire? And then it disappears down in here somewhere. And that's a very, very heavy gauge wire. So I'm guessing it's just something they had laying around, but who knows? Yeah. Label, label, label. I can't stress that enough when you do something like this. They also had a pile of LED lights on this thing too. Right in the garbage. Garbage! I'd really like to know what kind of motor work was done to this thing. It does have a lope to it when it's idling. It's got a 2-into-1 thunderheader exhaust. I haven't quite got to the carburetor yet to see if the carburetor has been replaced. But I'm not sure. And they also have a Screaming Eagle tuner on the thing, which is tucked up right there. So I'm really curious to see or to know what motor work has been done to this thing. I'm not gonna lie, this has been bugging me since I bought this bike. Do you see it? Alright guys, I honestly think I'm going to go relax the rest of the weekend. I figured out the issue with this. I just got to get the plug now, or the switch. And then this can be back together and it's done. And then I need to finish tearing apart the build bike. And figuring out what parts I'm going to need for it, what I want to do. I'm still kind of in the air on what I want to do with some of the stuff. I have a general idea what I want to do with majority of it, but time will tell, that's for sure. But at any rate, my back is kind of hurting from bending over doing a bunch of stuff here, so I'm going to go in and kind of just relax and enjoy the rest of this fine Sunday. And we're going to hit it hard tomorrow, I guess. We're going to go to the farm and see what's going on there and figure it out. Next weekend we are going to be out of town visiting family. So probably won't do a video next weekend at all, but we'll see. I'm trying to get in the routine of picking the camera back up and filming some stuff, just because I took a fair amount of time off in December and January, and it's time to get back at it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you at the next one.